IPP Solutions, LLC was founded with the plumber in mind. With the affordable solution of pipe coating technology that Pipecaster offers, every plumber can now save time and money by using this no-dig method. We are proud to offer your plumbers and installers time-saving and cost-effective pipe repair systems by means of relining the pipes through direct application of resin. Spray lining is the process of repairing old pipes by applying a resin to the interior of the pipe that cures or hardens, forming a new pipe within your existing pipe. Unlike the costly sewer or pipe replacement, spray lining only takes a few hours per pipe. It is much more cost-effective than replacing old pipes and comes with a full warranty. We provide a patented pipe option that forms a pipe coating that is flexible and durable using polyurea, polyurethane and epoxy. This allows for a better bond between the natural building and pipe movement that would cause most rigid epoxy coatings to crack. With our nimble spray lining equipment, plumbers and installers are able to line pipes from 1.5 inches to 6 inches in diameter. When used in combination with our other pipe lining products, plumbers and installers are able to structurally rehabilitate virtually every drainage pipe in a residential or commercial building without digging or destruction. To learn more about how our spray lining products can help your plumbing business win more jobs and increase your profitability, visit our website at ippsolutions.com or call 714-441-000707.